y'all, Emmy here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to sublimate a cute desk accessory. So if you want to see what I'm making, stick around. Start by grabbing this free digital sublimation artwork off emmywilson.com/blog. When you print it, it will be backwards and ready to sublimate, and you do need a sublimation printer with Sublimation Ink for this project. Start by ripping down your paper until it's right at the edge of your design without ripping the design itself. You'll need 1 square of polyester 100% polyester fabric, approximately 7 to 8 inches by 7 to 8 inches. Use your heat transfer tape to tape down on all sides so your design does not shift when you press. Set your heat press or your Easypress to 400 degrees for 40 seconds and press with even pressure. Once everything cools, because this is extremely hot, peel away your parchment paper and peel away your design. Next, use the pattern that was supplied with this free digital download and trace your pattern onto a piece of cardboard. Use scissors or an X-Acto knife or a utility knife to cut out your cardboard, and then place your design centered on your cardboard, and then flip it over on the back and use just masking tape to tape your printed design on your fabric in place. What you want to do is make sure that everything is centered up real good, and then once you have everything centered, apply 1 bead of hot glue across the top, fold down your fabric, and use a silicone finger protector to press your fabric in place. Repeat the same process with the fabric on the bottom. Then remove the tape on both sides and repeat with hot glue on the left and the right side, gluing all your sides down. Next, use a sharp pair of scissors to cut away the excess on the corners of your calendar. Using the same pattern, cut a square of felt material to go on the back side of your calendar. Next, line up the felt on the back of your calendar and hot glue on all edges on each side, and place your felt on top of your hot glue using a finger protector to press in place. Use your scissors to trim off any excess felt that might show around on the front, and then use your hot glue gun to tack down the corners and finish off the edges at each corner. Here it is. Make sure to subscribe for more home decor and sublimation tutorials.